Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to a video on your iPhone Air. So I'm provide full guide. So at first open your photo apps and you just select any video. Okay, I'm select this video and I'm add this video background music. Click on this option showing it to adjust filter crop 3 dot, but there are not provide exactly at background music option. So go out, you need to first install iApps. Open your app store, go to search option, search it to this. At first need to install these apps. Press on open, continue. Okay, press on, select video, showing it to my video. Okay, click on to plus option, showing it to audio. Press on and you just add audio from this list or from your gallery. Sound effect, I can select this. Okay, click on to plus option and now it's at. Okay, overall setup, press on done, share option, export project, save to file, select a folder, press on save. That's it.